Albert Einstein. Imagination is more important than knowledge. Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. The only source of knowledge is experience. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Logic will get you from A to B. Imagination will take you everywhere. In the middle of every difficulty lies opportunity. Strive not to be a success, but rather to be of value. The only thing that interferes with my learning is my education. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existence. I have no special talents. I am only passionately curious. A person who never made a mistake never tried anything new. You never fail until you stop trying. The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge but imagination. The only way to escape the corruptible, effective praise is to go on working. We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them. Striving for success without hard work is like trying to harvest where you haven't planted. The difference between genius and stupidity is that genius has its limits. The measure of intelligence is the ability to change. The only thing that stands between you and your dream is the will to try and the belief that it is actually possible. Peace cannot be kept by force. It can only be achieved by understanding. The world is a dangerous place to live, not because of the people who are evil, but because of the people who don't do anything about it. In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. The value of a man should be seen in what he gives and not in what he is able to receive. A person who never made a mistake never tried anything new. You have to learn the rules of the game, and then you have to play better than anyone else. A calm and modest life brings more happiness than the pursuit of success combined with constant restlessness. The only real valuable thing is intuition. I speak to everyone in the same way, whether he is the garbage man or the president of the university. It's not that I'm so smart, it's just that I stay with problems longer. The world as we have created it is a process of our thinking. It cannot be changed without changing our thinking.